So over here you can see that I have a flower, and let's say I want to add an effect just to this flower and leave the background as it is. So in order to apply only the effect on the flower right here, I need to go around and select out the flower. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto object selection, let's say for example, and then go around and select out these objects right here. Once I do that, you can see that it roughly did the selection of the flower. Let me just go ahead and add to the selection as well, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see. So the flower is selected. You can go around and then add out more elements right here as you want, and utilize the selection as you want as well. But apart from that, what I'm going to do now is change around the effect. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto image, then I'm going to go to adjustment. And now, let's say, for example, if I were to go to hue and saturation, I can change around the hue of the flower. And only the selection area is affected, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So just press OK, and only that part is affected. You can also go around and then, let's say for example, make a new layer right here. So I'm going to make a layer out of the copy right here, and then you can see that this layer is isolated. So now for the selection, what you can do is you can work around with the hue and saturation and change around the effect right here, just like this as well. You can also work around with, let's say for example, brightness and contrast, and change around the brightness, change around the contrast right here, just like this, and then that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the selection and add in effects to those particular selection. With the layer, what you can also do is you can work around with the filter right here, and let's say for example, add in effect to that particular layer only as well, and you got the effect for the selection just like this as well. So that is how you can add in effect to a particular selection inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.